Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to convert GGives to GCash wallet without GPO. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're wondering if you can actually convert GGives here, which is a buy now, pay later service that GCash actually offers, into actual cash without going through GPO, which is a GCash but the outlet. Well, in this case, this is one is kind of complicated. Now, the thing with GCash here is the only legit and possible way for you to cash out actual cash from GGives to actual cash is through GPOs. So any other services or any groups out there or people claiming that they could cash out money for you, well, there's a big possibility of it being unsafe and unsecured. So in this case, if you do trust those processes or those services, it's up to you. So it can be kind of dangerous. Some people do offer, or there is legitimate people out there that does cash out for you, but again, it's unsafe and it's not authorized by GCash. Now, the only way or the only legit way that GCash actually authorize those transactions is via GPO. Now, there are other ways for you to convert GGives in other ways. Like you can actually use GGives to pay for groceries at like let's just say like Pure Gold, if they support GCash payments as well. So you could use GGives there as a payment method. And also you could use like GGives on like certain bills payment, and that includes like credit cards. So if you want to shoulder your payments on GGives instead of just like letting those uh balances sit on your bank account or in your cards, you could use GGives as a payment method if I'm not mistaken. But this is only available on certain banks, so you may need to keep that in mind. But yeah, so as of this moment, there is no direct way for you to cash out unless if you're going to contact third-party services or people outside of GCash via Facebook or even Instagram. So they do offer those services, but like, then again, you may need to engage here very cautiously because sometimes there's a lot of scams going out there. But that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.